Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as possibly being a wave 5. I'm interested to see how this monthly candle closes this week, because if it does close as an engulfing candle, then I would say that it probably definitely is a wave 5. If at the end of the month, this monthly candle does not close engulfing, then it may not be a wave 5, and it definitely could continue back up. But for now, it looks like the end of a trend. Going down to the weekly time frame, even the weekly time frame looks like it has a nice five-wave pattern to the upside, and we haven't really broken structure down, but on other yen pairs we have. I think there's a good chance the wave 5 is over, and I think that, yeah, we probably are going to start a move to the upside, but that move to the upside probably will be a crutch into the move down. I would expect this to either be a wave A, wave 1. I would expect the next move up to be a crutch into the move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. The trading strategy is exactly the same whether it's a wave B or whether it's a wave 2, so at this point it's not really important to know whether it's an A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3, at least until we get into that third wave down, which is still quite a ways away. Going down to the daily time frame, this is definitely one downtrend right here. Definitely either a wave A or a wave 1, and there's no reason to think the trend is over. Yeah, we definitely have some doji candles forming right here, which maybe is going to be a reason for it to pull back. But even if it does pull back, for me, there's no reason for it to be over until I see a break of structure, something like this. Until I actually see that, I'm definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, I do actually think that they are going to go up probably before they go down. I think this is likely probably a wave A. I think this is a wave B, and I think it is likely to go up for a wave C. Now, I'm only looking for shorts right now, and I'm not going long for a wave C, but instead I will patiently wait for the end of the wave C to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. And the reason why I'm not going long is because I am a trend trader. I only trade in one direction, and oftentimes what we think is a wave B is not a wave B, and it just keeps on trending down. Counter trend trading for me is very dangerous and very unnecessary. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I actually think there's probably a wave 1 right here. Even though this is a higher high right here, I think this is actually part of a crutch and probably an ABC of B or like a WXY, because it kind of looks like it's a 333 pattern. Either way, doesn't matter whether you call it an ABC or a WXY. Either way, I think it's a wave B, and I think it is more likely to go up to probably either the 60 or the 50% Fibonacci level. If it goes up to one of those levels, makes a nice impulsive down, makes a nice break of structure to the downside, then I would definitely stop looking for longs, or I would get out of my longs if he did go long, and I would go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I just said, I personally am not going to be going long for the wave C. But if you want to, if you are a short time frame trader and you see that it is going up, then you definitely could. I much rather would wait patiently for a nice sorting opportunity to enter another trend trade for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.